Gilbert Teodoro to handle this part of the discussion.
Magandang umaga ho, mahal na Pangulo at mga kasama sa kabinete, mga gobernador. Ito po yung just a representation ng dinaanan ng Ondoy, yan ho ay sa baba. At ang sabi po ng Pag-asa at ng mga dalubhasa, mabilis ang pasok ng Ondoy. Pagdating sa Region 3, Metro Manila, siya ay bumagal na pakonti-konti ho.
And yun sa Marcos, it was open
Yung
this
land,
morning.
yes.
The inventory of assets.
Yes, ma'am.
In other words, like the 16, they will not be made up. They will
No,
not be
ma'am.
sent to this
No.
WD. They will be sent to the AFP and then
Yes, ma'am.
because they have two things to do: rescue and relief. But although the living and the ones we want to save would have priority now, we still want to have retrieval somewhere in the line. We have enough assets now to transform from rescue or from relief to retrieval.
Next, San Fabian. Assistance out of the total allocation.
Imelda Agustin, Dimetria Terrado, Narita Arga. Malbala